So what are your non-negotiables? Think about them in 3 different categories: lifestyle, personal and professional. Always starting with lifestyle, then moving to personal and ultimately to professional. Your Powerful in 60 challenge this week is to establish your non-negotiables and to define them in 2 or 3 words under each heading. So let's think about your lifestyle non-negotiables. These are pretty much basic things that everybody needs: sleep, movement, nourishment, and time with people that we love, that we care about, and that make us better versions of ourselves. What are your lifestyle non-negotiables? Are you getting enough sleep? Are you getting enough quality sleep? Are you eating and nourishing your body in the right way? And are you moving enough? But also, are you spending time with people that make you smile and are good for you? Your personal non-negotiables, a little bit different, and there's no physiological basis for these, but these are the psychological things that we need in order to survive in the world. Are you happy with your commute to and from work? Are you satisfied from a spiritual perspective? Are you happy with the amount of holidays that you are getting? In fact, ask yourself, are you taking all of your annual leave per year? And finally, professionally, what is work doing for you? What is your why at work? Are you engaged at work? Are you happy at work? And if you are engaged at work, and if you are happy at work, what makes you engaged and happy at work? Think about the skills and the things that you do that make you smile when you go to work, that you get lost in, that you've got that sense of flow in. They're your professional non-negotiables.